Looking for a gift idea that has the personal touch? In this video, we'll show you how to make a quick and easy letter cushion.
To make your initial cushion, you will need one 17-inch square of fabric for the main cushion, two 12-inch by 17-inch rectangles for the cushion backs, one letter printed or hand-drawn as big as you can fit on an A4 piece of paper, one piece of heat and bond which has glue on one side and smooth paper on the other, one piece of decorative fabric large enough to cover the letter. The first thing we need to do is to reverse your letter so that it is a mirror image. You can do this by holding it up to a window and the light will shine through the paper to allow you to trace around it. Take the heat and bond and lay it glue side down over the reverse traced letter. Trace it again using a pencil and ruler onto the paper side of the heat and bond. Fuse the heat and bond onto the back of the decorative fabric. Grab your iron and turn off the steam and turn down the heat to a low setting. Check your corners to make sure it is properly attached. Cut out the letter from the paper and fabric, following the pencil line. Grabbing one corner, start to peel off the paper backing. You should now see that the glue is on the back of the fabric letter. Take your square for the cushion front and position the letter in the middle. Both fabrics should be right sides up. Iron again to fuse the fabric letter to the cushion front. The heat and bond should now have secured the letter to the cushion. You can leave it like this and complete your cushion. But we like to sew a decorative stitch around the raw edge of the fabric letter. We just love how the zigzag stitch makes the letter pop. To create your cushion backs, create a double fold along one long edge for each cushion back. If you are using a directional fabric, make sure your hems are facing each other and that the pattern is the same way up. Top stitch your hems in place. Grab your cushion front and lay one of your cushion backs on top, right sides together, so that the hem is in the middle and the raw edges are lined up. Place the other back onto the first, overlapping the hems and matching the raw edges. Pin the whole thing in place. Then sew all the way around with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Trim the corners, cutting close to but not through the stitches. Reach inside between your back pieces and turn your cushion to the right side. Poke out those corners. Smooth it all out and your cushion cover is complete. Now all it needs is a cushion pad.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel.
If you'd like to learn more about making cushions, why not check out our online class Intro to Cushions, where you'll learn how to add a lap zip and a piped edge.